On March 18, 2010, Innolux, TPO, and CMO completed the industry's largest and most complex ever 3-in-1 merger. The synergy of operation is even better than expected. Today, Innolux strives to become the world's first smart factory platform, aiming for the global market. Made by Innolux is the new definition of our finished product strategy. Innolux possesses 14 panel factories, from G3.5 to G8.6, which is the most complete collection in the world. They include 12 TFT plants and 2 LTPS plants with panel size range from 1.5 inches to 100 inches. Our sales channels cover Asia, Europe, America, and emerging markets to offer customized and high-quality panel and system integration solutions. The development of IoT booms the display applications. Innolux takes part in each and every type, from consumer products to commercial use, like mobile phones, notebook computers, IT products, LCD TVs, wearable devices, 3D VR, and gaming products. In the field of special applications, like medical X-ray display, automotive, and avionic panel, Innolux takes the lead in the industry. The top 10 electronic brands of the world are our important partners. Innolux provides customized products to nurture our mutual growth. Innovation and differentiated technology are the rock of advanced display integration solution. Innolux masters the process technology, including IGZO, LTPS, AMOLED, OLED, Mini LED, and Micro LED. The high-end product applications cover 8K, 4K UHD, naked eye 3D, flexible fingerprint sensor, and diverse touch solutions. Innolux sets the new trend for the industry. Innovative technologies make us competitive. Founding experience in TFT-LCD displays, engagement of technology talent. Everything on TFT, everything on Flex. Innolux holds the key to the future. Testing centers of the highest level are established to ensure the quality, zero defect, and durability of customized products. Product lifecycle is also tracked. At the front-end process of Innolux, Smart Factory makes use of the IoT and big data to achieve 100% automated logistics to build a light-out and zero-labor manufacturing plant. At the back-end smart industrial cities, there is no more labor-intensive assembly work. The successful vertical integration provides one-stop manufacturing from panel to finished products. With the help of Innolux 4.0, thousands of devices and machines are connected and communicate simultaneously. Design for automation makes every step of manufacturing traceable. Smart supply chain realizes one-day demand change. 4.0 Big Data spins the web of manufacturing and global value chain to make smart manufacturing possible. The CSR policy of Innolux aims to realize the mutual growth of the environment and society. Innolux's vision, To Earth with Love, means the company strives to pursue green living, green operations, green value chain, and green environment. We also influence the supply chain to do so. Innolux's care to sustainability was recognized by Dow Jones Sustainability Index. We look forward to attaining the goal of carbon neutral in 2050. Smart technology reforms human communication. By continuously setting out the trend for industry, Innolux refreshes the human experience of visual pleasure by lighting up the panel of the future.